Hey guys, it's your Chronicle here today. Welcome back to Sue's Dumpster, where I put all my garbage stuff, except for this isn't garbage. This is like precious. This is like worth more than like twice of my life, like even more, infinity. But anyways, this is a package from Nyrelle. If you don't know her, I will leave a link to her channel in the description box. Definitely go check her out. She is so awesome. Like, look at this handwriting. If you can tell by this handwriting, you know that she's an awesome person. Like, seriously. But anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and open this. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. Okay, anyways. Oh my gosh, it's the cursed tape. Gosh, Dominica first, Nyrelle, and now you, like, oh my gosh, you two, you just want to kill me with tape? Like, man, ugh. Is this, like, oh, okay. It is, okay, it's one of those packages, as they ever. And watch me struggle. Struggling. Oh, okay, I hope I don't cut anything. That's the part I don't like when I use scissors. Okay, I'm going to get it out, and hopefully, okay, turn it over. There's no, oh no, I can see it now. Ugh. Okay, and let's just put this thing back in here. Okay, Nyrelle's note to you. Ooh, it's sparkly. Ooh, I like this. I'm just gonna like put this right here. Ooh, okay, oops. Gotta keep the sparkles. It's pink. Okay, it says, hello my dear Sue, I am so sorry for your birthday pack. I'm so sorry for your birthday package. Beans, like, no, it's fine. Oh my god, I wasn't even expecting this, so like, oh, I don't deserve this. Although this may not be much, this might not, oh my gosh. Let me try that again. Although this may not be much, I hope you love all the stuffs I included. Oh my gosh, and love Nyrelle Crispy. And yes, you guys, look at her handwriting. Like, Nyrelle's handwriting is goals, guys. Like, mine is like, who is this, like, oh no, middle-aged man? But Nyrelle's handwriting is so gold. Oh my gosh. Okay. Ooh, what is this? A piece of packaging fell off. Okay. And I'm so scared to look at this. Which side? Oh, I think I know what this is, so I'm gonna look at it. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh my god! Nyrelle! I'm so getting you back. Okay, we're gonna start with stickers. Stickers first, because that's exciting. Oh, these are the Shutterfly stickers. Oh my gosh! It's that one of, Naru and, Naya, I think. I saw the video and you were like, oh yeah. And then you also showed, the stickers, during the, live stream video. Oh my gosh. And look at them. They're so cute. Oh my gosh. I don't even want to use these. Like, they're so cute I don't even want to use them. I'm gonna find like a good spot to use them, or they might just end up like on my wall with like some washi tape stuck to it, so I don't use it, because that's like what I usually do with these. Because I always feel like I'm wasting them because they're so precious. Oh my gosh, it's the precious father and I want to say daughter, but but father and son. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Oh. You know, I'm such a sucker for stickers. I feel like I've mentioned this like 20 times, but stickers, man, are just like, whenever I see stickers, I'm just, you just like, I don't know, bring me to the dark side. Alright. Oh my gosh! Is this Yurio? Like, is this Yurio as a cat? I don't know. I hope this is, or else if it's not, I'm so sorry. But I hope this is, but it's a chibi! Oh my gosh, Nyrelle, your chibis, like, you say you suck, but, no. Do you see this? Do you see this? Tell me, this does not suck, like, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, look at how nice our coloring is. Like, Nyrelle, your color pencil skills are also goals. I swear, you're so good at it. Like, literally, when I found your channel, and I was just like, color pencil skills. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm just like so excited to add this to my art wall, because anything that, like, I don't know, anything that I see just makes me so happy and just inspired and makes me want to draw. And oh, it's the Uriel spam, maybe. Okay, it is Uriel. Oh, I totally failed. I did this last time with Dominica's video. I always go backwards. Oh, I failed. Okay, this is Uriel. Oh my god. I failed really badly, but oh my god. Okay, and this is Artsu. Yes, it's Artsu. You know, I feel like maybe it's always because the stickers, they just lure me in and I'm just like stickers and then I don't see everything else. But yeah, oh my gosh, it's Uriel. Ah, oh my god, okay, wait. I'm actually gonna take this piece, take off. And then we'll take it. Oh my gosh, it's Uriel. And I love that you included cat ears on him. Like, oh my gosh. This is like just making up for like me not being able to buy my Uriel Android. This just makes it up like 100 like billion times better. This just makes it so much better. Oh my gosh. Ah, he's so cute. Look at those little cat ears. Oh my gosh. Look at the little chicken. Ooh, it's gold. Ooh, look how shiny it is. Ooh, it's like so blinding that like it's just like oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, I feel like I can't even say oh my gosh. I've probably said it like 20 billion times by now. But seriously, I didn't notice, but you signed your name in the gold pen, like the gold gel pen. Oh, it's so nice. This just makes me so like giddy and excited. Like, ah, this is so cute. Thank you so much, Nyrelle. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that's like 1 billion. Oh, this is so cute. Ah! Okay, anyways, yeah, let's, so here are the things that she sent. We got some Uriel and we got some stickers. Oh, stickers. And then, ooh, and a really cute note. Oh, thank you so much, Nyrelle. I will definitely get you back. I am, oh my gosh, my voice is dying again. I will definitely get you back for your birthday. You better watch out because I am coming for you. You better watch out. I am so coming for you. Anyways, thank you so much, Nyrelle. Oh yeah, anyways, everyone go check out Nyrelle. Like, how could you not love this? Okay, how? But yeah, anyways, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!